My name is Danijel Lončarević. I work in this company for the last 13 years. Company Djurdevic is a meat industry in Serbia. We have our primal production of live animals. We have our own slaughterhouse, and we have our own finished product production and sausage production. We had many challenges regarding the labor, and in last year we decided to do as much automatization as possible in our company. We decided to buy Weber Slicer 604, and it was a success story. In just a few days we started the complete line, and all the workers in 2 or 3 shifts they already knew everything about the packaging line. We used to slice 1,000 kilograms per day. Now we slice 4,000 to 5,000 kilograms of finished products per day.
My name is Filip Boršić. I'm Managing Director of Weber in Southeast Europe, and today we are standing in the hall of company Djurdevic, our long-time customer. Together we had the big task to find a perfect solution for the customer, because they have a growing demand for sliced products. And what we did is a central loading machine where we could reduce labor, because the labor is difficult for them to find. We also incorporated an overlapping machine in this line, which customers use quite a lot, which again reduced 2 additional people from the line. And the customer also decided to buy a complete line, which we installed in, I think, record time, in a couple of days. And this is a good experience even for me, and we are looking forward to a good future together with company Djurdevic.
In the next 20 years we are going to buy Weber Slicer. The most important thing in production, it is service of the machine. If we have some problem with the machine, Weber guys, they come in 1 hour in our company and the problem is solved. When you have a big order from one company, there is always a rush. It is very important to deliver 100% of each item that is ordered. With your customer, you make a better relationship. With Weber packaging machine and Weber Slicer, we made that connection with our customer.